Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the drive belt on your Troy-Bilt lawnmower, you will need a 3/8" socket, a 5/8" socket, a torque wrench, and a blade removal tool. Before you begin the procedure, make sure the engine has cooled. We also recommend there be little or no fuel in the tank. For safety, detach the ignition coil wire from the spark plug to prevent the engine from accidentally starting. Now tip the lawnmower back and use a weight to hold the handle assembly down. Use the 3/8" socket to unthread the 7 lower screws, securing the front transmission cover. Next, unthread the 2 upper screws securing the cover. Pull the wheel adjustment lever outward so you can fully detach the cover. Now detach the belt guard and release the belt from the drive pulley. Use a wood block or the blade removal tool to secure the blade. Use the 5/8" socket to unthread the bolts securing the blade adapter and blade. Set the blade and mounting plate aside. Use the 3/8" socket to unthread the 2 mounting screws, securing the engine housing. With the screws unthreaded, you can fully remove the housing, blade adapter, and the old belt. To install the new drive belt, feed it through the deck and loop it onto the drive pulley. Next, reposition the blade adapter on the drive shaft and loop the belt onto the adapter pulley. Realign the engine housing by inserting the tab into the belt slot in the deck as you position it over the blade adapter. Rethread the mounting screws to secure. With the cutting edge facing downward, realign the blade on the adapter. Reposition the mounting plate and thread the bolt. Use the torque wrench to torque the bolt to manufacturer's specifications to fully secure the blade. Then remove the wood block or the blade removal tool. Confirm the new belt is properly aligned on the drive pulley and replace the belt guard. Hold the axle assembly in place as you insert the transmission cover tab under the belt slot in the deck. Make sure the drive cable is positioned in the notch in the cover. Pull the wheel adjustment lever outward to properly align the front of the cover. Replace the 9 screws to secure the cover, starting with the lower middle screw. Remove the weight and return the lawnmower to its upright position. Reattach the ignition coil wire to the spark plug. Refill the fuel tank if necessary, and your lawnmower should be ready for use.